Morning students, welcome to physics class. Now in this class we discuss about instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed. What is the instantaneous speed? Instantaneous speed means the speed of the body at particular instant time is called instantaneous speed. Okay, students, the speed of 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 the body the speed of the body at at particular at particular at a particular instant time at particular instant time particular instant time is called is called is called instantaneous instantaneous speed. Okay, students, what is the instantaneous speed? The speed of the body or the speed of an object or the speed of the car, the speed of the bike, the speed of the train. Yet at particular at particular instant at particular instant of time at particular instant time at particular instant time is called instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed. For example, how can you say the speed of the car at particular instant time? At particular instant time. How can you say? How can you say the instantaneous speed of the car? When we look at speedometer, we look at speedometer, we look at the speedometer of the car. We look at the speedometer of the car. We can say that the speed of the car at particular instant time. Okay, students, how can you say the speed of the car at a particular instant time? When we look at the speedometer of the car, the speedometer it's indicate the speedometer it's indicate the speed of the car. Speedometer indicates the speed of the car at particular instant time at particular instant time particular instant time. Okay, students, the speedometer it's indicate the speed of the car the speed of the car at particular instant time. Particular instant time. Okay, students, once again, what is the instantaneous speed? The speed of any object. The speed of any object at particular instant time is called instantaneous speed. How can you say the speed of the car at instant time? When you look at the speedometer of the car while it's driving, the speed of the car is indicates speedometer. Okay, students, the speedometer is indicate the speed of the car at particular instant time. Okay, students, next one is speed. Okay, students, speed. Speed, it gives an idea. Speed, it gives an idea. It gives an idea how fast, how fast, how fast the bodies are, how fast the bodies, how fast the bodies, how fast the bodies are oblique objects, how fast the objects moves, how fast the bodies moves. Okay, students, what is the speed? The speed, it gives an idea. It gives an idea, or it's giving information how fast the bodies or the objects moves. How fast the objects are moves. How fast the objects are moves. Understand? How fast the objects are moves. It's indicated by speed. Next one, speed is, it is a scalar quantity. It is a scalar. It is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity means that it's no indicate any direction. So to describe the physical quantity of speed, we don't require any direction. So that's why speed is a scalar quantity. Next one is, what is the SI unit of speed? The SI unit of speed is the speed of the object. Speed is meter per second. Meter per second. Meter per second. Okay, students, SI means the International Standard System. How can you measure the speed of an object? The speed of object, it can measure in meter per second. It is shorthand by meter per second. M for meter, S for second. M for meter, S for second. Okay, students, once again, what is the speed? The speed, it gives an idea how fast the bodies or oblique objects are moves. Speed is scalar quantity. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. Okay, students, next one is velocity. 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 Velocity is defined as the speed of the speed of the speed of an object, the speed of an object, the speed of an object in a specified direction, in a specified direction, specified direction. Okay, students, what is the velocity? Velocity is defined the speed of an object, the speed of an object in a specified direction, in a specified direction is called velocity. Velocity is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. The SI unit of velocity is velocity is meter per second. Meter per second. Understands? Once again, what is the velocity? Velocity is the speed of an object in a specified direction. That's to explain, to describe the physical quantity of velocity, we required a specified direction. So it is a vector quantity. The SI unit of velocity is meter per second. Meter per second. Okay, students. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll continue next class.